Shenzhen Qipeng Technology Company Limited is a worldwide DIY 3D printer manufacturer and supplier. Kingrun is Qipeng's most popular brand. Our mission is to make every creation easier, and main products cover FD, M, 3D printer, and LCD desktop 3D printer. Found in 2016 with 5 years development, we have self-developed many stable and cost-effective 3D printers, such as KP3S, KP5 series. Furthermore, we also have provided many comprehensive 3D printing solutions to schools, enterprises, as well as individuals. Our company covers over 2,000 square meters and monthly output over 3,000 units. Equipped with 24 hours non-stop professional test line and strict quality system, we greatly ensure the product quality. We always take quality as a priority, focus on making the best printer with high performance, and offering the best service for everyone. And our customers cover Europe, North America, Australia, and the Middle East and other regions. Moreover, we have won the favor of commercial purchasing customers. Our products comply with CE, FCC, and Roche standards, and we support OEM and ODM service. Nowadays, with the fast development, we sincerely welcome 3D printer agents all over the world with VIP service and competitive price. Let's create a win-win bright future together.